I'm Sarah.
And I'm Heather, and we're Oak and Orange.
And we are in Nora Head on the Central Coast of New South Wales to take you on a tour of our latest new build, Dream Home 9.
Now, this is a first for us, building by the sea, and we are so excited to show you the Mariote Coastal Haven.
Now, I'm going to take you through the first part of the tour.
And I'll see you inside shortly.
Our vision for the home was to infuse some Mediterranean colour scheme into this modern coastal design. So think warm whites, timber elements, aged brass and warm hues. And as you step up to the facade, you're instantly greeted by these warm tones. The roof was one of the very first facade selections that we made. The Colorbond roof in Surf Mist was chosen for its light breezy feel, capturing the relaxed coastal vibes, kind of like the sand down at the beach. Now we're total suckers for timber. It is perfect for breaking up a white space. It adds warmth, texture, and it's timeless in style, like this gorgeous statement timber veneer door. We've also included this timber look aluminium batten garage door. These crazy paved tiles are a standout feature at the entry of the home. It adds to that coastal Mediterranean vibe. And we were lucky enough that this tile actually comes in a whole range of sizes, which we have used in other areas of the home, which you'll see later. Now the front door has these vertical panels, a design choice as we've used it throughout the whole home, and it helps connect the indoors with the outdoors. Now let's head on inside. You'll see we've used the vertical VJ cladding here from Intrim. It's the perfect addition in a coastal home. The first room of the home is this gorgeous guest bedroom. We've continued with the VJ wall cladding in the guest bedroom, and to stick to a budget, we've only used it in high impact areas within the home. We have sheer curtains for privacy, and we have roller blinds for night. Straight through here is the guest ensuite. And these simple white wall tiles are not only affordable, but they're a great way to lighten and brighten the space. They also allow this one feature wall of tiles to add a pop of colour and be the hero. We really wanted a luxe feel in these bathrooms, so we've selected this warm aged brass tapware, paired it with a warm mineral vanity bench top and a timber shelf below. We love adding in a statement mirror. It is such an inexpensive way to elevate a space, and we've selected this shape here as it ties in with our crazy pave out the front and the stepping stones as well. Because bathrooms are expensive, we've designed this one with dual access, so it serves as the ensuite to this bedroom as well as the powder room to the downstairs of the home. One of the first things you see as you come into the home is this staircase and beyond. It's grand, it's open, and we love that it's a real hero piece within the home. Next up is the laundry. These floor tiles are one of my absolute favourite. I wasn't brave enough to use them in a bathroom due to how much grout there would be to clean, but the laundry was the perfect place. I mentioned our vision and colour palette was warm Mediterranean coastal, and that's exactly what we have here. We have our warm white cabinetry, our sandy tones in our bench top running up through the splashback, and our brass tapware and our black sink. Now our black sink ties into our door hardware and our very special wine room doors, which I will show you later on. Now, the open staircase. Now, partway through construction, I started doubting myself. Should I enclose it to give extra storage? I was in a bit of a panic, so I called my local real estate agent, McGrath, and they assured me that a grand open staircase is what buyers would want. So I left it, and I am so glad I did. I love it, it's so grand and it's so beautiful. Plus I already had 3 linen cupboards, so there is plenty of storage. Or what was I thinking? At the front of the stairs is the gorgeous sun-filled lounge room. This room is bathed in so much natural sunlight, making it the ultimate cozy spot to sit during winter. And we wanted to make the room feel a little bit luxe and special, so we've laid our engineer flooring in this arrow pattern, and to keep costs down, we've only laid this pattern in 2 feature areas of the home, which has saved us thousands in labour. We've added louvered windows in this room as well. They're the perfect addition in a coastal home as they allow you to take advantage of that beautiful coastal breeze. Our Winston roller blockout blinds keep the room cool during those blazing summer afternoons. And what a view! How beautiful is it to look out over the pool? This is the perfect room to just sit back, relax and chill. Take a look at this arch. We've also used it somewhere else that's special in the house. Follow me. Now let's step into the wine room. We've used the same arrow flooring that we used in the lounge room, but the real showstopper is these double arch doors. Now they were a splurge, but totally worth it in our opinion. Now I also love the full wall smoky glass mirror. I love how it's reflective and makes the room feel twice the size while also reflecting the beauty of these arch doors. Welcome to the kitchen. There is so much to love about this space. I love the curved legs of the island benchtop. I love the warm sand tone and the texture in this kitchen benchtop. Now it's called Adamina by Caesarstone, and I have been wanting to use it for a while, and I tell you, it has not disappointed. I adore the sleek finish of the curved range hood here. And something you may not know is we actually color match the paint with our cabinetry color over here. And we did that so that it ties the whole kitchen in together. Personally, I love using timber laminate on the lower cabinetry as I think it looks and feels more premium, especially with this finger pull design. And here is a bold move that we have never done before. No sink in the island bench. It's 2.6 meters of uninterrupted space, perfect for meal prepping and entertaining. And to my right, we have a handy pull-out pantry, integrated freezer, integrated fridge, and around the corner we have our sink and dishwasher and our bin. So this is the perfect little spot to keep all the mess hidden away. And take a look at this, all this open shelving for extra storage and easy access. But wait, it keeps getting better. Over here, our breakfast cupboard for your kettle and your toaster to keep it all neat and tidy and hidden away. Now, who wants one of these in their house? I know I do. The dining room is the heart of the home, flowing from the kitchen and living areas, making it the central hub, perfect for family gatherings. Now we've continued with the open plan living space because this side of the home catches the midday and afternoon sun. We chose to add these large stacker doors as we are on the south side to let in lots of natural light. Now the alfresco is all about laid back luxury with one area for relaxed sitting and the other is perfect for entertaining and dining. With a built-in barbecue and an outdoor fridge, this is the ultimate entertaining zone. Cook, dine, enjoy the outdoors, all while being so close to step inside to the kitchen if you needed to grab anything. Keeping those coastal vibes alive, we've added VJ roof paneling to the ceiling for that seaside charm. There aren't always many design features in our alfresco area, so by incorporating it into the ceiling, it's a great way to add more texture, character and interest. If you look a little closely, you might notice these tiles are actually the same color as the crazy paved tiles in the facade, our tiles in the pool area, and our tiles in one of our ensuite bathrooms. And what that does is it ties it all seamlessly together. Now this curved wall not only provides privacy, but with its Morocco finish, it offers a smooth yet textural aesthetic that ties in with the front of the home. Say hello to family fun with this 7x3 fiberglass pool. It's the perfect size to take a refreshing dip or sit back and relax close by. Can we just take a moment for this stunning stone feature wall? It's bold, it is beautiful, and the sandy hues tie in perfectly to the beachside surrounds. How cool is this? You've just come home from a swim at the beach, ready to freshen up in your own private outdoor shower. And that part of the tour is over for me. Heather's going to take you through the rest of the home inside.